Dear students, this is teacher Hira here. We are starting our second chapter of biology, solving a biological problems. How to solve the biological problems according to the scientific method. Some of the methods or steps are here. One is the recognition of biological problem, observation, hypothesis information, deduction, experimentation, summarization of the results and reporting of the results. So the first method is biological method. The scientific method in which biological problems are solved is known as biological method. Biological method has played an important role in scientific research for almost 500 years. Once the method is recognized, now we have to observe the process of gathering information about events or processes in a careful, orderly way. It is made by our five senses: vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. The gathered information is known as data. There are two main categories of data. One is the quantitative, another is the qualitative. The quantitative data are expressed as numbers obtained by counting or measuring. Example, the boiling point of water is 100 degree. And the qualitative data are descriptive and involve characteristics that can't usually be counted. Example, the boiling point of water is hot. Another is the formulation of hypothesis. What is hypothesis? A hypothesis is proposed by a scientific explanation for a set of observations. We can say it is a suggested solution to the problem. It must be testable. It is sometimes written as if-then statements. It should be a general statement. It should be a tentative idea. It should be kept as simple as possible. Another method is the deduction. In the next step, biologists draw deductions from hypothesis. Deductions are the logical consequence of hypothesis. For this purpose, a hypothesis is taken as true or expected results. Generally, if a hypothesis is true, then one should expect deduction. The most basic step of biological method is experimentation. Biologists perform experiment to see either the hypothesis is correct or not. Through experiment, scientists come to know that which hypothesis is correct. The correct hypothesis is accepted and other are rejected. Once you are done with the experiments, it's time for the result. In the next step, biologist gets quantitative data from experiments. Scientists then have to summarize the data they got. Then they make the results, and the results should be perfect according to the experiments. And now the theory and the law. What is theory and what is law? In the next step, when the reporting results are taken right, it becomes theory. The hypotheses that stand the time of test, often tested, never rejected, are called theories. If a theory continues to be supported by experimental evidences, it becomes a law or principle. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you.